Afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, in today's newspaper on a Tuesday, May the 28th, 2024. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one, the 4 Stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, in the evening. And the news of today, well, we got a new prime minister. Prime minister in the Netherlands. His name, Schoof. Yes. Alright, enough with politics. This one will be number 8610. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Well, usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24. This one has 25. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. Or 3 stars? We'll see. So let's get started. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column. The only place left for a should be there. 4, 4. Okay. We need a 4 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this middle row. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. In this big square, a should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 in the second column. No 4 there. The only place left for the 4. It should be there. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 4, 4. 1, 1. How about the 2 then? Well, 2, 2. 6, 6. 1, 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 is should be there. 6, 7, and 8 and 9. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have 8 and 9 in this row, so no 8 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3, 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Oh, let me drink something. Okay. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. Only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 in the second row, no 6 there. Only place left for 6 should be there. Well. 7, 8, and 9. 8, 9, and 7. In 7 here. 2, 2. 2, 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 2 in the last column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so on that row, the only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 place level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now in the second row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. Okay, now. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. 5, 7, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there in this big square. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places left where the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place level 3 should be there. So here 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 9. Okay, cannot fill this yet. 8, 9, 7, and the 5. 5, yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left the 5 should be there. 8, 9, and 7. So we need a 7 here. Need an 8 there, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this first row. No 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 8 in the first row. So the row between. Second row, the only place left 8 should be there. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. The 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. Then. Okay. I need a 7. Yeah, I need a 7 in the third row. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. The only place left is 7 in the third row should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8. So the 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number, I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 9 should be there. Okay. 6, 7, 8. 1, 7, 5. Alright. Let me see. In the 4 here. In the 4 there. In the 5 there. Now. 6, 5. Need an 8 here. I'm thinking. 3, 3. I'm thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. 6, 7. Need a 9 there. 6, 7, and the 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, 3 and the 7 in this column. So no 3 and 7 in this box. 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6 then. Alright. 6 6. Let me see. 6 6 6 6 6. Yeah. Need a 4. And I need a 9. Alright. Need an 8. I'm thinking. Come on. 1 1. Need a 5. I need a 6. And I need a 1 4 8. Well, I need to mark some numbers. 1 is missing, 2 3 4 5 is missing, 6 7 is missing. 1 5 7 1 5 7 1 5 7. No. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 6 7 8 6 7. No. 7 8 9 7 6 8 9. 7 we have here. How about here? 1 2 3 is missing. 4 5 6 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3 7 8 3 7 8 3 7 8 3 7 8. Well. 1 in this column, 1 in the 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left for the 1. QB here, QB there. Well. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 8. QB here, QB there. 8. Need 8 there. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. 7 8. 7 need a 7 there. Overlooked 7 and 3. We already have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Overlooked. 3 and a 5. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Overlooked. Lost a lot of time. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. How about 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here, and there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, so the 6 could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left with 7 should be there. So the 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left with the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 4. Alright, how about the 9 then? No. 9. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers to 1. The 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 3 in this row. Oh, mark those 2 boxes earlier with 3. We have a 3 now in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. Yeah, if I eliminated this 8, so the 8 goes there then. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, only place level 6, should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row, oh wait, we already have 3 6s. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit 4, number 6. 8 and a 9, we have 8 now in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. 9, 7, 8. Well, we have a 7 and an 8 in this row. So no 7 and 8 in this box. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 9 then. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place level 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. The 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 now in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well. 60 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. So let me give this a 2 stars. It's a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.